you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram, this probably will come as a surprise to you, but we are currently in Arizona and I'm filming in my new home. So yeah, I shared on Instagram our journey from moving to our beloved Michigan all the way to sunny Arizona to be close to family, especially with the baby coming. And yeah, I wanted to share our empty house tour. It's something that I didn't do with our first home and I really regretted it. I want to have these memories and also just share it with you guys. So I hope that you really enjoy this video. I wanted to do this before I decked the halls with pumpkins and Halloween stuff. And I just cannot believe everything that we have been through and that I am still pregnant and we made it. We are here. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I would love for you to leave like a little pumpkin or something, just to let me know that you're excited about upcoming fall and Halloween videos. So I hope that you really enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. I'm going to start this house tour in the foyer or entrance of the house. You can see it has a vaulted ceiling and very tall doors. I also like this little tall window that I have so that I can look outside. The floors are ceramic tile. They also have a little bit of white veining. They kind of remind me of gray hardwood floors. So this is a formal dining room and I like that there's a tray ceiling that we can customize with some crown molding or just repaint that ugly black. We're thinking about adding some wainscoting and a thicker crown molding here at the bottom. I absolutely love this chandelier over here. It's kind of like an acrylic and brass chandelier and I just have to fix the light bulbs. Some of them are a little bit crooked. And also this is the other view of the house. I'm thinking about putting a wall of mirrors. And then over here there is this little pocket hallway and it is a butler's pantry. This house was recently built and the first owners had the opportunity of adding a sink, but I'm so glad they didn't because I get more counter space and cabinetry where I can display my already done and just like nice china. I also love the crystal knobs. I am thinking about doing this section as my coffee station. Then if I turn here in the back, you can see the walk-in pantry. And I'm so excited to organize it, you guys, and decorate it. And then over here we have the double ovens. The top one is a convection oven / microwave. I like the handles. They remind me of my old house too. And the countertops are quartz countertops. And then we have this little lunch station. I think that's what I'm going to be using it as. And the fridge. As you can see, the girls are really excited about seeing the house. So here is the island, and something new is that now I have a beautiful farmhouse sink in the middle of the island, and I absolutely love this faucet. Up in Michigan, we had an electric stove, and I'm excited about this gas stove top. I also want to add some shelves right next to the window. And you guys, we have so much cabinetry, the possibilities are endless. And I also like that there's no backsplash so that I can customize it to my own taste. To my right is the hallway entrance and the stairs. We're thinking about doing some modern railing in the stairs. And this is the formal living room. As you can see, it's pretty much open concept from the kitchen to the living room. The only thing that we are missing is our fireplace, but this room is very spacious. And then this is another view. Down here, there are a couple of other rooms. Over here to my right, you will see some French doors, and this is the study / office, but it is also very spacious, so I can actually add a closet and make it a guest bedroom. And over here, it is a very avocado green powder room, nothing special. We might just add a better sink and that's about it. On my left, it's something that I've always wanted to have, and that is a mudroom. Of course, we need to build it ourselves or just buy it already built, but I am super excited about not having shoes all messy in the entrance, backpacks, and just being a little bit more organized with everything. This door over here leads to the garage, and it is a 3-car garage. Right now it is dirty and it is filled with the previous owner's stuff, but they did clean it out and took everything with them. What I really like about this is that it is already epoxied, and I'm planning of using this third door over here, this side of the wall, as a home gym, and just adding like a treadmill and some gym equipment with weights. And over here on the inside we have the laundry room. I'm going to miss, I'm not gonna lie, my second story laundry room, but this laundry room is also really nice. It already has cabinetry, and on this corner we can add a sink. And the house also came with some pretty cool security system. So now I'm going to show you the second story of the home. So let's head upstairs. And you guys, even though this house is pretty much brand new and it doesn't need any upgrading, I'm still very excited about doing a few minimal projects, decorating the house and organizing it. So now I'm going to show you the second story. Like I said, it is all carpeted, and I really like carpet in the bedrooms section. Over here I like this little balcony and this nook. I'm not sure if I'm going to put like all the toys over here or desks or what, but this is bedroom number 1. It is a pretty good size. This one is the smallest of them all. And then bedroom number 2 is right here, and it is a little bit bigger than bedroom number 1. And this is the bathroom of those 2 bedrooms. It has double sinks. The only thing that I don't like is that I feel like it's missing a window. And then this side I absolutely love. It's kind of like a family room slash flex room, or I don't know, just a hangout room. We're going to mount a TV over there and have movie nights. We're thinking about getting also a very comfy sectional with a popcorn machine. And this is the linen closet. And this is the second to largest bedroom over here. I like that it has also like a little walk-in closet with some shelving and lots of hanging solutions. And it also has its own bathroom on the left with a stand-up shower. Last but not least is the master bedroom. I like that it also has a tray ceiling over here. I'm not sure if we're gonna lift the fan or just put like a really modern chandelier. I'm not sure how I feel about there not being a door leading to the bathroom, but we can always add like a barn door over here. And this bathroom reminds me of my Michigan Homes bathroom, which I like, some familiarity, but this one is a little bit bigger, and it has white counters and it has a smaller tub, which I appreciate because it feels quicker and I don't know, it's more cozy. I also like a bigger shower over here, and then this is the water closet, and we are missing a linen closet, but we are gaining a big walk-in closet. I'm thinking about adding more shelves because we have a lot of hanging spaces, but it does have some shelving over here. So when we did this video and walk through the house, it was already very dark outside, so I cannot show you the backyard. But I really appreciate you guys hanging out till the very end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are as excited as I am of organizing and doing some very small projects. So please subscribe and like this video so that you don't miss future ones. I'll see you very soon. Bye!